All right, what's up, guys? So I just got finished up with my trading session for the day. I took 3 trades in total today. I took a trade on gold, I took a trade on oil, and a trade on NASDAQ to close out the day. So I want to go and go over those 3 trades, kind of what I was watching, and then the big winner that left me with this total P&L of around $318.10 in my PA Apex accounts. In total, end up making around $3,100 in profit on the day. So I'm stoked to end this week out. You guys can see I posted all my trades on this YouTube channel showing my profits each and every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then the video I'm making right now is Friday, last day of the week. So after today, after that last trade I just took, ending the week up around $9,000 in total. So anyways, let's go ahead and go over the trades I took today. All right, so I'm first going to go over to gold. This is the first trade I took, and we're going to go and take a peek at this, okay? So this trade was a small winner. Basically got stopped out on my runners. You can see we're starting to trend up in pre-market. We did have this resistance up here, and I didn't really see my setup until around right here, okay? So basically, when the market opened, I started trading at 7 o'clock my time. As you can see, we started ripping up. I wanted to get in somewhere right here, but we never got an entry available. And this is basically what the trade looked like. We got a light pullback, right? So if you guys don't know how I trade already, I'm a trend pullback trader. I'm looking for an intense move up and then a light pullback. We honestly, I couldn't get in until this candle closed. I did put a limit order down at 76.5. So I did end up entering around right here. I always put my stop below the swing low, and I was able to get one trim in right at around 79. So this is what my trade looked like. Once I got my trim in, I put my stop at break even, and that was the trade. So I was up around 90 bucks after this trade on each of my accounts, around 900 bucks or so. And again, we're just too close to this resistance area. Obviously, I was holding runners in case we passed it, but as you can see, we pretty much just chopped around and then sold off the rest of the day. So that was my gold trade. Another thing I was watching was oil. So if we go over to oil, as you can see, we basically came to a pretty big support area overnight, and we ripped off of it, and then we came back down. We were making a higher low, so to me the trend was still intact. We're by the VWAP area, and basically what happened here was we're kind of slowly grinding up. We got this pretty big move up. We got this light pullback. We got a decent move up again. Got this light pullback. I entered around right here. I did get stopped out on this trade. So by the time this trade was over, I believe I was down around 90 bucks. So I was close to break even on the day, but still down, and gave back my gains from earlier. So anyways, this is kind of what this trade looked like. I went up a little bit in P&L and then basically got stopped out on these lows right here, So took a small loss here, nothing crazy. At this point, I was down around $90 on my 10 accounts. Okay, and then this brings me to my last trade, which is NQ. Is very volatile, and we're basically just dumped the whole entire day, as you guys saw in the market. So let's go over to NASDAQ. I saw a beautiful setup. Actually, after that oil trade, I took around a 30-minute break. I went and got some coffee, got out of the house a little bit, kind of reset my emotions. And then I noticed when I got home, right, we're trading in this key support level, kind of just consolidating. We fell off of it. We got this big move up. Now you can see that this move up was just as much as this sell-off off the level. So I didn't want to go short here. It didn't really make sense. Again, I'm looking for light pullbacks that go with the trend. This was the same amount of pullback as we got selling, right? So I'm looking for that light pullback. So once again, we got an intense move down. And then what do we notice about this move up, right? We got a light pullback. This is very light compared to this move down. So I actually was able to take an entry on this candle here. We just crossed below the RMAC line. And this is the first candle that broke this previous support. Okay, so this is what my trade looked like. I took a short position. And essentially, I got in around here. I had my stop above this high, right? And then I basically just rode this thing to a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, which was around right here. Now you can see this thing actually took a while. Okay. So as you can see, we dumped. I didn't get my 1-to-1 because I was risking a decent amount on this trade. I did trim a little bit, but I kept my stop up here just because I didn't want to move it to break even and then get stopped out. So anyways, we consolidated here for a while, but there's no signs of, getting out of the position. This move up had me a bit worried, then immediately dumped. And then I got my fill down here, which was around my 1-to-1 risk reward. And I believe I made around $400 on 10 of my PA accounts on this trade alone. So that was my big winner for the day. This was the most obvious setup. There was lots of volatility. We just broke another key level. We had this light pullback. All the confirmations were there. We were a little bit divergent on the RMAC, which I didn't like, but we still did close below that bottom line. And again, we're still very divergent. Notice how the RMAC's been going up, but the price has been going down. Anyways, guys, that was my trades for the day and for the week. So I hope you guys all had a great trading day yourself and have a good weekend. Real quick before you guys go, I want to let you know that if you guys are interested in joining my private coaching program, I have some more spots open. So if you're committed to becoming a profitable trader inside this coaching program, I'll personally teach you my strategy for 30 days. You'll get access to a whole entire training. I'll be reviewing your trades personally, and I'll even be trading live with you on Zoom Monday through Friday at market open. So if you guys think this stuff would be helpful for you and you're interested in joining a private group like this, all you have to do is go to the first link in the description below. It'll take you over to my Instagram account. All you have to do is message me the word trading so I know it's from you, and I'll go ahead and send you all the details from there. I'm going to ask you a few questions inside that Instagram DM to make sure we'd be a good fit to work together as well. So anyways, that will be the first link in the description below. Just message me the word trading on my Instagram account. So anyways, guys, like I said, hope you have a great weekend. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to end this week out in the green with 0 red days. That always feels great. So anyways, guys, I'll see you Monday morning at market open for another live session, and I'll talk to you guys soon.